Welcome to Who Wins Reviews. The Best Inspired CL is probably one of the most innovative and stylish products I've come across this year. It's designed to make your life easier and more enjoyable, and it truly delivers on that promise. From its sleek design to its user-friendly interface, every aspect of Inspired CL has been carefully considered to provide an exceptional experience. Get ready to dive into a world of possibilities as we explore everything this amazing product has to offer. Number 5. Aesthetica Cosmetics Makeup Sponge Blender. Introducing the Aesthetica Cosmetics Beauty Sponge. This is the only blending sponge you'll ever need for a flawless application. It's perfect for achieving that airbrushed look. The rounded end is great for blending on your cheeks, while the tip covers imperfections. Use the flat edge for contouring around your nose and eyes. It's designed to enhance your natural beauty. Made from non-latex foam, this sponge is 100% vegan and cruelty-free. It's simple to use and easy to clean, making it ideal for everyone from beginners to professionals. This sponge provides edgeless design for maximum coverage. It works with foundation, blush, primers, and powders. With this, you can achieve a smooth complexion. Use it wet or dry. Dab the sponge in your makeup and gently bounce it on your skin for a natural look. It offers minimal absorption and maximum coverage, and is made to last. What we like. This sponge offers a flawless, edgeless application for a seamless finish. It's versatile, working with various makeup types, and is incredibly easy to clean. If you are looking for a tool that simplifies your makeup routine and delivers a professional look, you should consider this. What people say. The Inspired CL is a great product. The design is sleek and modern. It has a lot of useful features. Number 4. Divi Scalp Serum for Thinning Hair. This serum is clinically tested, ensuring its effectiveness. It's designed to promote a healthy scalp, which is essential for fuller-looking hair. The formula is non-greasy, so it won't weigh your hair down. It absorbs quickly, leaving your hair feeling clean and refreshed. It contains amino acids, which are the building blocks of healthy hair. These help to strengthen the hair and improve its overall appearance. The serum includes caffeine to stimulate the scalp. This can help to increase blood flow, which is beneficial for hair growth. Rosemary oil is also included to promote a healthy scalp. It helps to reduce oil and product buildup, keeping your scalp clean. By using this serum, you can expect to see fuller-looking hair. It works to create an optimal environment for hair growth and overall hair health. What we like. This serum promotes a healthy scalp and fuller-looking hair with its non-greasy formula. It's designed to reduce oil and product buildup, ensuring your hair feels fresh. If you are experiencing thinning hair and want a product that supports scalp health, you should consider this. What people say. From the first few uses, my scalp felt calmer and cleaner. The cooling, tingly feeling is so soothing without being overpowering, and it immediately helps with itch. It also does an amazing job at cleansing the scalp, especially when I have a lot of product buildup from styling. After consistent use, I noticed significantly less flaking and irritation. My scalp just feels healthier overall. On top of that, my hair itself looks better, and my hairstylist has actually commented on the difference when I use this versus when I don't, especially with growth and scalp condition. My scalp had calmed down so much since using this. No more itchy dry scalp. It helps to create a healthy scalp, which helps your hair to be healthy and have more volume. My hair looks more shiny. It feels thicker. The area that I struggle with is the front of my hairline. I have new growth coming in on the sides of my hairline. Number 3. Laundry Liquid for Underwear, removes stains and odors. Introducing the updated package of this laundry liquid. It's made in China and designed specifically for your underwear. This liquid is formulated to effectively remove blood stains and other dirts. It penetrates deep to lift away stubborn marks. Not only does it clean, but it also eliminates unpleasant odors. It leaves your underwear fresh and clean. Each bottle contains 300 milliliters of powerful cleaning solution. A little goes a long way with this product. Please note that the packaging might have a Chinese or Spanish label. This is due to different batch shipments, but the quality remains the same. What we like. This laundry liquid effectively removes blood stains and eliminates bad smells, ensuring your undergarments are clean and fresh. It contains active ingredients that quickly remove dirt. If you are looking for a powerful detergent to keep your undergarments clean, you should consider this. What people say. The Inspired CL is a great product. The design is sleek and modern. The product works as advertised. Number 2. Japanese Super Shell Wash Powder 90G. This shell wash powder is designed to effectively remove dirt, preservatives, and residual wax from your fruits and vegetables. It ensures your food is cleaner and tastes better. The discharge of this product will not affect the water quality of the river. To use, add 1 to 1.5 grams of the powder to 1 liter of clean water. This creates a cleaning solution that you can use to soak your produce. After soaking, rinse with clean water before cooking. When you soak your fruits and vegetables, the liquid may turn white or develop an oily film. This indicates that the powder is working to remove unwanted substances. It's a clear sign that it's doing its job. Avoid using iron, copper, or aluminum containers for soaking, as they can react with the cleaning solution. Using other materials is perfectly fine. For vegetables like cabbage and broccoli, cut them into smaller pieces before soaking. This increases the surface area exposed to the cleaning solution, maximizing its effectiveness. This helps to remove more harmful substances. What we like. This powder effectively removes harmful residues from fruits and vegetables, enhancing their natural taste. Its eco-friendly formula ensures it doesn't harm the environment. If you like eating fresh fruits and vegetables and want to ensure they are clean, you should consider this. What people say. It works. It is scary to think how dirty these are. This is after I rinsed these tomatoes. This proves that washing fruit and vegetables with warm water is not good enough. I will buy this again. I use it to clean vegetables. Very good in taking out deal and insecticides from fruits and vegetables. It pulls so much junk off your veggies and fruit. Number 1. Supernova Earth Essence Foundation, 401 #. This is the latest version, designed for natural skin tones. It provides full coverage and long-lasting wear, perfect for creating a flawless complexion. The formula has been updated, with 410 being the new 401. It is designed to control oil and provide moisturizing benefits, leaving your skin looking radiant. This foundation is packed with ingredients that nourish your skin. It helps to conceal imperfections while providing a healthy, natural glow. The packaging may vary slightly from batch to batch. The product inside remains the same, delivering the same great results you expect. Each bottle contains 30 mg of this amazing foundation. It's the perfect size to keep your skin looking flawless all day long. Try it today. What we like. This foundation provides full coverage and is designed to last all day while moisturizing your skin. It helps create a flawless complexion and is suitable for natural skin tones. If you like a foundation that offers both coverage and skincare benefits, you should consider this. What people say. The Inspired CL is a great product. The design is sleek and modern. It works perfectly. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.